Aloha, my friends. That's my new greeting. Guess what? I'm going for another walk. I'm in the Boca de Tomatlán, and we're going to take the old Camino to Las Animas. We're going the other way this time. And it's a beautiful mixture of coast and jungle. And we're hoping to spot some weird creatures along the way. And get you some excitement. Hands up if you want some fun and adventure. Me too. Okay, gotta go. Bye. Muck. So it's the rainy season in Vallarta in Mexico, and that means that all the river water washes in the rain into the ocean, but the river right now looks like chocolate milk. So the walk is roughly an hour and a half from Boca to Las Animas. I found it long this time. I was getting over the flu, but it was really tiring. And it's hot here. Hola. Oh, that feels good. Schmuck. It's a combination of climbing and flat terrain, and you're going up and down. I mean, there's certain sections that are pretty darn challenging. So you're gonna be like climbing up very steep, rocky pathways, and then there's flat stuff just like this. And then you're descending on washed out trails. If you go right now, it's gonna be different in the high season, but it's absolutely worth it. It's so beautiful. It's biting me. This is considered the smallest beach in Vallarta or something like that. And it's a good spot to dunk because you're going to get really, really hot on this hike. And usually it's crystal turquoise clear gorgeousness. Right now it's full of debris because of the rains. But it's a beautiful spot to put your bag up somewhere safe, put something over it so no one looks at it, and go dunk in the ocean before you continue on. The trick to this walk, or any hike at all, in my humble opinion, is don't think too much about it. Let the momentum of your body and of the terrain do all the work. Don't think, just flow. Go with the flow, go with the flow, go with the flow. Ándale. Big pack. What? What do you think? Whoop! Going with the waves. The storm's coming. Boy, I love that side. So beautiful.
That pitbull was kind of bloody leg.
Uh-oh. Walking. I like that we did a giant loop. Loop. Hey, Papa. Hey, cutie. Ow. Are you a good doggy? Hi, cutie. See that spider? I need Jack to come and get the spider out of my house.